Was Lizzie Borden insane? Today, we are tackling a question that has intrigued many in the true crime community. Was Lizzie Borden insane? This question arises from the shocking events of 1890 to when Lizzie was accused of murdering her father and stepmother with an axe. The trial and investigation revealed behaviors that sparked debate about her mental state. During the trial, Lizzie exhibited some unusual behaviors. For instance, she provided conflicting accounts of her whereabouts on the morning of the murders. At different times, she claimed to be reading, ironing, or on the stairs. These inconsistencies could indicate confusion or stress, but they do not prove insanity. Additionally, Lizzie was prescribed morphine to calm her nerves during the investigation. While this suggests she was experiencing anxiety or psychological distress, it does not equate to being legally insane. One particularly suspicious act was when Lizzie was seen tearing up a dress she said was stained with paint. She intended to burn it, raising eyebrows among those observing her. It wasn't clear if this was the same dress she wore on the day of the murders, which only added to the mystery surrounding her actions. Some people at the time and later commentators speculated about her mental state. There were mentions that a doctor or individuals close to her might have thought she was unstable. However, no formal psychiatric evaluation or legal insanity defense was presented during the trial. To be deemed legally insane, a defendant must be unable to understand the nature or wrongfulness of their actions at the time of the crime. Lizzie was found not guilty, but this verdict was based on a lack of conclusive evidence rather than a determination of insanity. The prosecution focused on physical evidence and motive. They highlighted the close quarters of the Borden household, family tensions, and Lizzie's potential access to the murder weapon. In the field of criminology, mental illness or insanity is an important factor in understanding criminal behavior. However, it must be established through clear evidence and expert testimony. In Lizzie Borden's case, there is no definitive proof that she was legally insane or mentally incapacitated when the murders occurred. Her behavior could be interpreted as nervousness, stress, or even strategic evasion rather than insanity. Therefore, while some aspects of her conduct during the investigation and trial raise questions about her psychological state, Lizzie Borden was not officially declared insane. Her acquittal was not based on an insanity defense, leaving the question open to interpretation.